Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel where I break down stocks using S&D to help you make the smarter trades. Today we're analyzing Lululemon Athletica Inc. stock ticker LULU, and I'll walk you through price action, key zones to look at, and where I see it heading next. Now, looking at the daily chart, we can see there's a clear falling since June. It started falling around January, but it did went back from 240ish to around almost 340. So $100, that's like what, around, I guess, over 40%. Yeah, so can't say that as a drop, but yeah, it started to drop again from this area. That's almost 50%, over 40% drop in just few months. June, July, August. Yeah, not even a month. Over a month. So 40% drop in a month is a huge dip. Now, why I'm making this video is it just got into our zone, a very strong zone, a demand zone around this area. Look how strong this zone is, right? And this price is around March 2020. That's almost 5 years back, over 5 years back. And this is the zone that made Lululemon reach its almost all-time highs around this area. Look at this. And also one more thing, the reason why this drop couldn't succeed is because of these zones around this area. Because if you watch around this area, you might not see, because I haven't plotted anything around this because it's gone and it's already been done, so I don't want to make a video long. That's why I only started plotting around this area, the fresh zones. The reason why it again breaks down above this zone is this area is the zones that made Lululemon possible at reach its all-time highs. So whenever the price went beyond this point, this zone actually showed the reaction, and then it almost went up to 44% after its drop, and that's within August 2024 to Jan. It's almost 5 months. So 5 months, yeah, not bad, right? You get like 45% gain in 5 months. That's a pretty awesome deal, I'd say. Now, today the price has reached our zone. Since it's a very big dip, it's a very big fall. Now, in similar situations, if the price has reached the zone that I've made around this area, if it wasn't 40%, let's say it was just around 20% or even 25%, I would have straight away taken entry like in few days. But the price has been downgrading like such a heavy pace that I cannot take that risk to take entry around this area. Now, what I believe is it's gonna go all the way down around this area. Maybe I might hit stop losses. Like, oh, sorry. Let me move my stop loss a little down. This is not where you should mark stop losses. Yeah, around this area. Yeah, I know the entry point and stop loss area is pretty big, John, but the profit you'll be gaining will also be good around this area. So I believe it might give some rally for like what, 10%. Yeah. It might again come down. Scenario one. Scenario two, it might just start rallying around this area only and go all the way back to probably 400s, 450s. That's scenario two. Scenario three, It's not gonna even make like 5% gain. Rather, it's gonna go down and reach almost to our stop loss or even hit stop loss, and then give us a confirmation that okay, the stock is gonna boom now and go all the way. It might take quite a time, but I think it's gonna make a new all-time high, or at least beat this point around this area. It might not reach above this, but I believe it's gonna at least reach around this area. So let's say the price comes to our entry point and goes all the way up around here. That's almost 133%. And I'm super confident that it's not going to take a lot of time to reach that point. Because if you see, they've good on earnings, like the revenue is growing, right? So I see no reason for them to drop more than this. And even if you value, or if you know how to value a company, this is really undervalued right now. I mean, the whole industry is on a downtrend. If you see Nike stocks, let me search and show you quickly. Uh-oh, not this one. Right here. You see it's been dropping massively, right? And even their earning is pretty good. I mean, the growth obviously has slowed down, but they're still beating their estimation, right? Now, talking back to Lululemon again. Yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything, but yeah, as I said before, this zone looks promising, and if it still falls down, I've got my stop losses around this area. In short, LULU is sitting at a critical point and the chart setup looks strong, but we need confirmation. I'll share an update once it either breaks high or drops lower. And if you found this helpful, hit like so more people can see it. And if you want more analysis like this every week, don't forget to subscribe and comment below with the next stock you want me to analyze.